Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. SMCI is doing all right. Let's go. We are back to hunting and, of course, making money. Lizzie, Sally, good morning, everybody. Yeah, SMCI doing really good after breaking this channel, guys. Doing all right. Holding a support, a new one over the 41. Tesla doing fantastically good. A new high, almost the 380. We got Coinbase doing all right as well. So the market is not bad, guys. This buy reverse from our support, the 570. We've got a few unicorn to watch for today. Everything's looking great. So guys, hit the like. Let's get right to it. LVWR. We got this one, guys, doing crazy good. 60% in pre-market. Praga 52, we got SGPX getting near a really pretty nice bottom here. It could be good for a reversal right at the market open. So this one could be good as well. 100% BBAI. This one from yesterday. SPET 400% yesterday. Now it's just 10% down. Could be good for a reversal. NVTS broke out and now is pulling back a bit toward the support. ASST, GameStop doing interesting. New high, almost around 38. We got DJT pulling back toward the bottom, the $20. TNXB trying to break out. Let us double check if we got something going on in the pre-market, ladies and gentlemen. SGN and SPRO. We got SPRO, and the other one SGN. What's going on with those two? Holy baloney. Look at that. This one doing all right. Yes, doing all right. Might do another support here over the 190. We got another support, 143. SPRO, guys, one of the top gainer for today. I might watch for that level around the 319 and maybe the 470. Yeah, we almost hit the $3.19. We went toward the 290. For now, I'm gonna lower the resistance around 248. Yeah, nice one, guys. This one. We got SGN. Wow, this one is really strong, pretty strong for my opinion. It's going up and there's no huge pullback for it. This one could be good at the market open to go at least around the 5 and the 6 and the 7. We already hit the 3 and we pulled back. I might watch for a pullback right at the market open toward the 250. Yeah, now have to break the $3.45. This is it for now, guys. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, George. ANF, Sally. Yes, DJT. Lizzie asked if I'm energized and ready to hunt after my trip. Yes and no, because I got, I think, a flu. I'm a bit sick yesterday. It was a bit rough. I didn't sleep yesterday. I was on the road all night long. I took train, airplane, bus, boat, you name it. I took all the type of transportation yesterday. It was a big, long trip. But yeah, today I slept almost 10 hours, so I refueled. So yeah, doing all right today. Better than yesterday. Yes, I wanna be wizard. Glad to be back, man. I miss you all, guys. Miss our community. Good to have a bit of time off, you know. to have a bit of gratitude, and because you don't know what you have until you lost it, you know. So when I went to vacation, I felt like life is a bit boring, you know. Even on a trip is kind of is not that fun, and it's a good sign, guys. Good sign if you are on a trip and you have the feeling that you can't wait to go back to work. This is good sign that you're doing the right thing, you know, because a lot of people go on a trip and they have the opposite feeling. They don't want to go back home to work, you know, and it's kind of a warning sign that you do something you don't like, you know. So this is one of the warning sign that you have to change your job. If you go on a trip on a vacation and you can't wait to go back, is mean good. If you hate to go back to your home country, is mean there's something wrong. Okay, so what we've got here, SMCI, we already discussed it, guys, did really great yesterday. We got A and F from Sally, DJT. Yeah, DJT, not bad here. We got some news for DJT about this, the company want to sell some shares to buy Bitcoin. That's why we pulled back from the 30 and now is getting near the bottom around the $20. I'm gonna adjust the resistance currently for DJT because now it is pulling back a lot. We got, yes, we got the 25.90, a gap that we should hold or to visit. Yeah, DJT, guys, looking all right here. We got the support to hold at the market open around the 22. Yeah, not bad for DJT, and not completely bad. What else we've got here? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. DT 900, you are welcome, man. SMCI, we got this girl, man. We got this rabbit in our hole. You know, guys, when you started to be a good hunter, let's say in a jungle, you know the pattern, you know the movement of the animals, so you don't have to run anywhere or anywhere. You just stand still, put your trap, and boom, you get your rabbit or your bird or whatever you want to eat. So SMCI is like a rabbit, you know. We know the hole where rabbit will go, and then we trap it there. So this is the trick: is know your enemy. Yes, Abhi, NVIDIA earnings. We're gonna do updated charts later for NVIDIA, guys. We have the most anticipated earnings after hours today for NVIDIA. We're gonna do the update for sure on our Discord and Patreon. Don't forget that. Again, if you want to have access to update today for those earning stocks, guys, you can join us on our Discord and Patreon. Here's the link to our community. Updated levels for mini stocks, guys, after we finish our live streaming here. Only if you want updated levels and up to date second by seconds for the market. We got, let's check just CRM very quick if it's good. We got ITOS profit. How you doing, man? John in the house. IXHL. How you doing, man? So let us check those three requested stocks from us and see which one will be the good candidate. CRM, not unicorn, but just a stock, have earnings today. Technical, yeah, not bad. Yeah, not bad. Not bad completely. Let's see. Last earnings, revenue wasn't that bad, not that good. 10 billion. Now it's 9 billion. So the revenue is lessening and going lower here. So we have CRM, I think earnings after hours with NVIDIA. So we're gonna do update later for CRM for the chart. ITOS already got their earnings last month, I think, and now it's squeezing up. This one is not unicorn, but let's see. Still in negative for the earnings. We got really good levels, already hit the 1144. It could be good to hold or to trade in the big picture as long as we hold the current support now over yeah, the first support here over the $10. Yes, the $10 is the level that we should hold for ITOS to go toward the 13. So not bad, but is not a unicorn. IXHL down after the huge jump that we did back in the mid of May. Jumped almost 1000%, guys, and now it's pulling back. This one looking great, man, for a breakout later. If we broke this level, it would be really great, around 30 cents. For now, holding a bit of support here over the 19 cents. So yeah, this is interesting play for my opinion. I'm gonna put it on the other list. Yeah, this one was yesterday, I think, but it's not available to buy on our broker in Europe, so that's why I took it from the list. So now leave us with SGN. SGN is the one, guys, to watch because it broke our level and is going to Falahala. How everybody doing? So SGN, we have a problem, guys. We have a big problem for SGN. I think I'm gonna take it from the list because as you can see here, as you can see on the broker here, we said the instrument has been delisted and the trading is no longer available. Once the final term of the event are confirmed, we will dispute any due proceed. So if you bought this one, they will fix the problem and give you the money that you owe. So wait a second, SGN. I think maybe I did the. Wait a second. I don't find another one except for this SGN. Yeah. Okay, this one in England, guys, not the American. We don't have the American one. So SGN is not available, guys, in Europe. So this one I'm gonna keep it for our hunter to trade later, but for not for us. SPRO may be good. Yeah, SPRO maybe is there. Yeah, SPRO, we have it. Yeah, SPRO, I'm gonna keep it because it's good and it's available in Europe. And so SPRO, LVWR. Let me just double check if we have this one. LVWR. How much we could buy? Yeah, almost 3,000, not bad. Bragg is getting near a bottom, guys, here, but I don't like the trend that much. SGBX is getting near a bottom. SGBX. SGBX. We have, yeah, this one. Let's see how much we could buy. Yes, 1,500 shares, not bad. And BBAI is a bit slow. Okay, SPRO, guys, is the one to watch here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a day we're gonna have today. Hit the like button on the way in. Good evening, Ahmed. How you doing, man? GameStop making move lately. Bitcoin purchase. Yes, GameStop purchase. Bitcoin exactly. Good morning, everybody. Spread the love. Let's get right to it. SPRO doing fantastically good. We got the 248 as a breakout. NVTS, John asked about NVTS. Not bad, guys. NVTS have a support currently over the $6.81. We got, give or take, the resistance is not that clear, but I will put a resistance around 4 or 746. After that, we have a profit taken around the 790. And maybe if we're lucky, we're gonna have the 890 and the $10.10. This is for NVTS for today, guys. Have a little breakout in the pre-market here. Yeah, a little breakout. So now we currently holding the first support over the 670. The other support is the $6.09. The bottom clearly it is around 488. Yeah, NVDS, not bad, guys. I'm gonna keep it on the main list here because yesterday we did 47%. SGN, guys, getting near the ultimate target around the $4.23. I expect a huge pullback at the market open because now it's kind of overextended. NNE, what's going on with NNE, everybody? NNE looking interesting here. Yeah, not bad. 1%. So we have a nice breakout. So we got a resistance around the 38, target to go around the 42, and the other target is around 48. Current support, it is over the 25. Bottom is the 17, but I don't like the trend that much for today. The ones that we should watch out for is LVWR and SPRO. Those the two that look fantastic. With SGBX, which is one of the main stock that might reverse at the market open because it is discounted here, guys. Discounted at the moment. But the problem is you have to buy a little amount of shares in Europe around the 432. Otherwise, you can't execute the trade. I think they do this because of volatility reasons. What's going on, everybody? SMCI is still holding the gap. Yesterday we went to test the gap, but we went down. Tesla, new high, Hood, new high, Coinbase, nothing. We got MSTR pulled back from the resistance, going near the nice bottom, for my opinion. What else we got? Cryptos, still around the 108, not bad. We've got a few minutes left. Let us double check if we got some things going on in the pre-market. SGN, almost 400% SPRO. We got ASBP, ASBP, ASBP. What the ASPP? Okay. 67%. It was barcoding before, then jumped. It is a bit shady, but you know, there is some potential here. That's why I'm not letting it go that easily. 69. This one I think is a new IPO or just flushed before. It might recover from this huge flush after the IPO. The IPO was in February. So ASPP, it is changing this flush. And now it's going toward the $1 once again. If we broke the 60, yeah, this one could be good, but not completely perfect like the rest of the market. For today, guys, we have NVIDIA earning, SRM earnings. We got, yeah, those are the top stocks to watch with S. Even this one could be good. Watch out, guys. We're going to do a huge update on our Discord for these stocks on our King Elite level or channel here to discuss the markets. AMOD. AMOD. Let's check together. AMOD. Pumba and Dumba. No good, man. Doesn't look good to me here. It might reverse, but it's too dangerous. It will be good once we break this current resistance around the 190. Otherwise, I will leave it be. For my opinion, it would be too dangerous to trade. After that, if we broke the 190, we have the 222 and 268. The current support is 144. Pre-market top gainer for today. We got Prague, ANF, ITOS. Okay, this is the main event. Let us bring our disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Countdown to the New York Stock Exchange market countdown. We have 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes to check the market. 4 minutes for the market open. Okay, disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today, guys. Remember, we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And remember that we always go live every day to hunt for the market. So if this is the first time for you here, remember to hit the like, subscribe, because we're gonna go tomorrow to hunt for the market again. And if you are one of our main event guy who watching the market daily and want to capitalize on this and have better entry for many stocks, the link in comment section below, guys, for our Discord and Patreon for clear entry and exit for the stock. So let's get right to it, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's have a fun day for today. Wednesday for today before the end of this month. So for today we got SPRO, we got LVWR, SGBX, BBAI, and NVTS are the main event for today. SGBX started to reverse from the bottom, $1. We got SPRO still holding the current support, which is over the 180. Current resistance we need to break to squeeze toward the 3 is the 248. Let's get right to it, guys. What's going on? What's going on? 7 hours or 6 hours and a half for the market. For now, we are on. Let us check the market as a whole. SMCI is pulling back down a bit, holding the gain. Tesla is pulling back. Hood. We have a pullback market now, guys. MSTR, the SPY is pulling back. For SMCI, I think today the resistance, it is just there, guys. Around the 42.51, we already tested this resistance pre-market. I'll be watching this resistance breakout, guys, because if we broke it, it means we're gonna go up toward the 44. If we didn't, we're gonna go down toward the 40. Simple as that. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Let's see. Still SPRO, nothing much happening here. SGN, man, we don't have it on our broker. That's why we let it go, brother. SGN is not available on our broker. Yeah, I know it's looking really fantastic, but it's kind of overextended here toward the 4, man. It's a bit risky play. MD, thank you, man. I'm doing good, man. I have a little flu yesterday because I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep at all yesterday, man. I didn't eat really good. So I felt a bit low on energy. So I took 10 hours of sleep. So now I feel better. My throat is a bit sore. So it's really hard to talk a lot. SMR, I will check. Silence is a bliss. Exactly, man. Exactly. JFB, let's check this one. JFB, if it's good. No good. What else we got? AMC and GameStop, I will check it. I will check SMR. Guys, please, if you want me to check a stock right now at the market open, please bring the stock that have a huge news, jumping up and catalyst. Otherwise, don't bring it here. Like SMR, yes, is strong, but it's kind of overextended here. We have earnings coming up. So yeah, I'm gonna pass on this one, even though it's jumping, but it's not unicorn. You see, guys, it's not unicorn. SPRO, yes, is a unicorn, but jumped a lot, and now it's reversing. SPRO is good. SGBX is pulling back. LVWR pulling back. BBAI pulled back a lot. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. SGN, we don't have it, so I'm gonna take it from the list. SPET for today is sleeping. ASBP, it started to reverse nicely here. Works, no good as well, like SPET for today. GameStop is pulled back, guys. We have a trap here. SMCI is pulled back as well after testing the resistance here. After hours yesterday, we have a fake out for SMCI around this level. Let's see if we got some stock that gets halted right now. We got MFH, SPRO, ZKH, BMED. We got KG. Oh man, we got a lot of stocks got halted, man. Today is crazy. AZUL. Okay, let us check the stock that got halted, up or down. We don't know exactly. The only way to know is to check them out. Let's see. AZUO, not good. BRLS, nope. KG, no good. This one, that one. So yeah, the only one that is really good right now is it is SPRO. It's halted up, guys. SPRO is halted up. Warning, guys. SPRO doing really great right now. SBRO doing fantastically good. We have a bit of resistance after the unhalting around the 247. This is a good target to take profit at, and the 279. Guys, SPRO, it might go toward the $3.19. Now we've got a really good technical here. We have to break this level of resistance around this zone in order to squeeze just around 250. Because if we got shorted here, we're going to go down toward the 140. SPRO, guys, looking really good here. Really good. So far, so good. The only one that looked good is SPRO, halted up, and SGBX because it started to reverse from the 190 or 109. What a nice reversal. What a nice reversal. MVTS, no good because it pulled back a lot. So yeah, I got X and SPRO are good. GameStop is pulling back, guys, toward the $30. DJT is reversing from the 22. So yeah, the only two that look good is SPRO, which is halted up and ready to break the 250 to squeeze. Yeah, SPRO is unhalted, guys. 230. Make sure to take a bit of profit here, guys, because if we don't break this white line, it means we're gonna go down. If we broke it, it means we're gonna go up right now. Let's go. SPRO, let's go. Aha, you see, we have a huge test around the white line, and now we got halted down. Hallelujah. Yes, we expected that, man. We expected this pullback. I know it. This is madness. You see, sometimes you don't have even time to react. So you have to be ready. SGBX Did really good reversal here. SGBS. I'm gonna put it on the main list. Taking works and the rest. SBRO guys got shorted right around our white line. That's why it's going down a bit. Yeah, BlackBerry, I know it's so he's still waiting for SPRO to get unhalted. The warning sign for SPRO that's gonna flush if we broke the 194 guys. Sometimes we have this kind of test, get halted up and down, and if we reverse, this mean the next time we're gonna break. So still there's a chance for another retest for the 250, which give us a squeeze toward the 290 and the 319. For now, a critical zone to hold 194. SGBS or SGBX reverse from our bottom. Now it's going toward the resistance here around 147. If we broke it, this means we'll squeeze up. SGBS guys did really good for a reversal. SGBX looking great, but I expect a pullback right now, guys. A pullback for SGBX. Just around this resistance 190, so make sure to take profit before that, so because it is heavily shorted. Current bottom, if we don't continue to go up, is the 91. For now I expect a huge pullback if we don't break this resistance, the 190. Now we struggling to go up a bit. Yeah, we might go another 25% if we're lucky. Yeah, now we up 13%, so it's not bad. 147, yeah, 147 is more clear here. Yeah, wow, yeah, we have a resistance right now, 147. Holy baloney. We have a resistance clearly right now, man. We almost tested around the 147. That's why we kind of pulling back right now. Exactly. SGBX pulled back one from the 147, guys. Yeah, 147. It is strong resistance. Pretty strong. SGBX, I think is good to take profit now. Anyway, SPRO and halted guys now is getting near the bottom support that we should hold, the 192. If we held it, we're gonna retest the 150 or the 250. SMCI getting near the support, the $40.85. Be careful, guys. This is a dangerous zone that SMCI got into because we escaped the channel. Yeah, we escaped the channel. However, now it's pulling back again to retest the 37, a new low. So if we pull back, I will watch for the 37.50, guys. And the other pullback zone should be around the 33. The main event or the main level that we should watch out for today is the 42.50. Because if we broke it, we're gonna go toward the 44 and 46. So now we are in sideways because the whole market are pulled back, especially crypto stocks. But this is not worrying to me because we just consolidated. We don't have a flush for the market yet. SPRO is getting in the danger zone, guys. Is getting in the danger zone. I think we're halted down right now. No, still testing the support, guys. Still testing the support, the 190. SGBX started to pull back, of course, from the 147. Yeah, today we have a weak market because everything is pulled back, not going up at the market open. This one, we have a resistance around the 714 now. SBP is pulled back right now. GameStop is still holding. DJT, TNXP. Let's check the market. SPET is pulled back a lot. SPRO, I think, is gonna get halted up right now, or already halted up. Yes. What a nice dip reversal, guys, for SPRO. SGBX got halted down, and SPRO is halted up. What a crazy day, man. One is halted up, and one is halted down. The rest of the market is completely useless or dead. So we only have two that have potential to do something. The rest maybe later, but SPRO is the one to watch. We have a really good gain yesterday. Jason killing it yesterday. A nice hunt, my brother. We got a really good hunt for our hunters yesterday. Yeah, not bad. We got a request here from one of our members. Job Y. Job Y 26% here, man. Okay, we got job Y, guys, looking great. Looking fantastic for today. Job Y looking great, doing pretty good here. We got the $10.36 as a target and the 7.38 as a support, but the range is a bit far for me here to play this one. Yeah, it's almost the same, but I will add some support again here toward the $8 and the resistance, and the top target is the $10. We might hit a bit of resistance before this level around the 928, but the main event level to test is the 1036. SPRO is still halted, guys. SGBX unhalted and still going down. We got a target to hold over the 107. Big seller just came out on the 147. LVWR is flushing down for a new level down toward the 267 maybe. SGBX, nothing. SPRO is still waiting for unhalting for SPRO, guys. The only one that look all right for today. We got MNRO just came right now. MNRO, no good. Remember, guys, today we're gonna cover NVIDIA earnings today. Huge earnings today, guys, for many stocks. As you can see here, NVIDIA is reporting earnings today after hours. We're gonna discuss it on our Discord and Patreon, guys. The link in the live chat section right now if you want to join and have access to price prediction and updated level for NVIDIA and other stocks that have earnings after hours today. John asked about SPET. Check was huge yesterday. Yes, I know, but it's not good for now, man. SPET, not good anymore. Okay, we got unhalted for SPRO. SPRO retesting for the resistance that we got shorted at. We need, again, to retest this resistance to squeeze at. SPET, no good, man. I don't like it now. SPET could be good if we went toward the 21 as we discussed earlier, guys, in the pre-market. And the other bottom is the $10.30. For now, the resistance is not clear for it. I don't like it because it's too much, man. It's too risky. We have a little resistance around 37. I'm profit taken, but I don't like the play anymore. So now we waiting for SPRO to break the 250. Otherwise, we're gonna go down. Profit, tomorrow is my birthday. Don't trade, man, then. You're gonna be distracted. And if you lost money, you're gonna make the day worse, you know? And you won't be present for the gifts and the parties. So don't do it, man. Just take my advice and don't trade. Because I did it before. Like I have an event, I have something really fun to do, like before my vacation, and it traded big before my vacation, and I lost money, and my vacation ruined because I was overthinking about my loss, and I was thinking about trading to get back my money. It's like a cycle of misery. So don't do it, man. Just enjoy the moment, and the market will be there the next day. So don't overthink it. Happy birthday, Prophet, Prophet. Thank you, man. You are welcome, man. SPRO, guys, is still looking great because it hold the 190 perfectly, is unhalted currently. NVTS, I will check NVTS. I think, yeah, it's still on the list. NVTS resistant now is for 714. We broke the trend here, so we're going to test support now around the 618. It is getting dangerous because we might have a flush for it and go toward the 5. So it's a bit dangerous, guys, for NVTS. If it broke the 618, it would be really dangerous. Or at least the $6.10. Yes, it would be pretty dangerous. I will wait for the 512 to enter after that. In the meantime, the big seller that entered for NVTS was around the 713. CGBS, yes, man. This one, it was good, but it got shorted. So yeah, we only have 3 right now. Those the top unicorn for today. Let us check one thing. GameStop is still going down. AMC is down 8% as well. Wow, AMC kind of, we have a fake out here. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance out on the 413. You know, man, the main resistance for AMC is around the 555, as we discussed before. After that, we have the 689. The ultimate target that we can go to is around the 11. But now, yeah, we got shorted around the 413. SMCI, guys, is still holding, but it's have a struggle right now to break the 4250, and now it's pulling back to fill the gap. The gap is there, guys, around the 40. Today is pulling back toward the gap to fill it. Dexter asked a really good question about how we could back to the zone after taking time off. If you really took time off and switch from internet, it will be really easy because you'll be more focused and clear-headed, and nothing should change, you know. So everything is, if it everything works before your trip, you don't have to change anything, you know. The most important thing is to take it slow, because usually after any trip, guys, you have like high energy and confidence. So this is the worst case scenario, because if you come back after a vacation, you have high confidence, and high confidence equal big mistakes. So always take it slow after a vacation, or even after stopping going to the gym for like a few weeks or few months. You have to go slow. Don't go on your max rep or max weight once you take time off, like 1 month from the gym. No, take it slow, because you shock the muscle and you get injured. The same with the market. If you go back and you have full position on one trade, you're going to lose a lot of money because you have high confidence. No, take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. This is the best advice I could give you, man. Dexter, great question, man. Great question that you ask this to us and to our traders to be alerted and never be overexcited. So SMCI is pulling back, guys. 4250, it is the current resistance. 40, yeah, around the 40 or filling this gap, it should be our support. Yeah, over the 39.90. to fill this gap. If we held it, we're gonna reverse. If we did it, mean we're gonna go toward the 37.50, and the best bottom, for my opinion, if we have a huge flush from the market, I would be ready for the 33.30 for buying the dip for SMCI. This is it for now, everybody. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow to hunt for the market once again, exactly 30 minutes before the market open. And if you interested to have updated level for many stocks after we finish our live streaming, you can join us on our Discord and the link comes section below. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you all by tomorrow.